Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2022 Hitch by Cruiser RV. We're going to take a few seconds here, run you through the inside and outside real quick. Just kind of show you what it's all about. This is a 2022 version. The 2023s are starting to hit the lots now, so there are some little differences between this one and the 2023. But they do have currently, I think, a couple of these left at Couch's RV Nation that are 2022s. So I just wanted to show you here real quick, kind of some ins and outs. This is basically Cruiser's first attempt at coming out with something in the little bit of the overland market. So it does have, you know, the torsion flex axle, the off-road tires and stuff like that. It's kind of like the No Boundaries was when it first came out. Similar to that. So up here you have a little bit of cabinetry. There's a stereo on the side, 2-burner gas stovetop, sink area, cabinets down below, control center there on the side of the counter also. You have the roughly 5 cubic foot Dometic gas and electric refrigerator, propane furnace down below, and then you have a gray stone microwave here. In the back here, we're going to have a little bathroom area. So you have foot flush toilet, little sink area, medicine cabinet area there, ABS tub surround, and basically a step-in shower. There's a skylight up top and a little vent fan as well. You have 2 bunks. 275-pound rating. Window does open. The bottom bunk, there is a little bike door there, so you could open that up, flip the bunk up, and load something back here if you wanted to. Some storage underneath of there also. Digital thermostat there for your air conditioner and your furnace. Couple speakers in the roof, AC here in the center. Some more overhead cabinets on the left. Little booth area here. This will also make into a bed if you wanted to. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. Some USB charger ports. Solar charge controller. 4 drawers. TV area up above. Window on each side of the bed does open. Now it is also pre-wired for that 4G Wi-Fi gateway you can put on aftermarket and basically subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon or somebody like that to get internet. But overall, pretty cool little bunkhouse trailer. Back to the outside here, you know, power awning, tinted windows, double entry step. Pretty large pass-through storage compartment area here. It is prepped for a tire pressure monitoring system. Has manual scissor jacks, little blue light down below, couple outdoor speakers, large folding entry handle. It's basically a white fiberglass exterior with a black metal skirting, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, little pet-friendly leash latch holder there. Ladder to get you up onto your roof, prepped for a rear observation camera. Does have a little 2-inch hitch receiver on the back. Then you have that little thing right there is kind of like take some firewood or something like that. Some of the more dirty stuff that you might not necessarily want to put into the camper. If you got those roll-up awning mats and stuff to go out under your awning, you know, you might stash them back there and tie them down if they're wet or something when you put them away when they're raining. Spare on the back, the little bike door area right here. And again, this just flips up. Not real hard to do, just flip it up, latch it back out of the way. Down below there, your gray and black dump area. detachable power cord. It does have your city water hookups right here. Have your cable and satellite inlets and a cold water spray port right here as well. There is a solar panel on the roof. You can kind of see your AC up there, TV antenna. Water heater over here, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. And then hot and cold low point water drains. Does have enclosed underbelly. Inverter right here. Two 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball. Has room for 1 or 2 batteries to go right here, depending on what size battery you decide to go with. A couple little hitch lights up top as well. But overall, pretty cool new unit. Again, this is a 2022 version at Couch's RV Nation. Be sure to check them out. One of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. 2023s are getting ready to roll out. So they'll have a little bit of a different look to them. But if you like this one, check it out. Give the guys at Couch's RV Nation a call. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Really do appreciate it.